Alright, it's a different day. I forgot to record the other part yesterday, but you have to download the Logitech software to access this. Um, just type in Logitech software will pop up. The presets, you can change them. I named it stream, but it didn't really change anything. But the field of view, it changes like how zoomed in it is. So yeah, you can download like OBS to probably get it from between like these two, like 78 and 90, if you want like a 80-degree angle or something. Or I would recommend cropping it because that would be way easier. And the exposure, I didn't touch this because I don't know what it does. This I did change, and when I first got it, it was like really like white. Like I don't know how to explain it, but it was like white. Like it looked like my light right here, which I'm probably gonna have to figure out how to change because it looks pretty bad. But yeah, my skin actually looks like the proper colors in my, yeah. You can copy these ones if you want, or I recommend searching up another YouTube video to figure out how to get like really good image quality and settings. And this didn't do anything. I just put it on this one because why not? And it does come with a built-in mic, but I recommend just getting a microphone or using your headset mic. You can use the mic though if you want to try it out, or if you just don't have one. Probably if you don't have one, that'll be the best time to use it. But yeah. Okay, so on the webcam, you can pull it and it will go to a hand cam. Like it's adjustable and it automatically flips. You see that? So you could just aim it downwards if you want to have like a ham cam. It goes even further down, like straight directly down. Or you could just, and then bam, you got a ham cam going. It's probably like my favorite feature on this. My final review, would I recommend it? Yes, if you have the money, but you can save up probably a little bit more money to get like a, like an actual nice camera, and you can have it, so plug it in and but yeah, if you have the money for this, definitely get it. It looks pretty nice and it gets the job done very effectively. A lot of them don't have this privacy shutter either, so that's a really good feature on it. I really like that. But yeah, thank you for watching.